Therefore, in exercise of the power conferred upon me under subsection 4 of section 32 of chapter 2 of Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District, Constitution of District Councils, Rules 1951, as amended, I hereby declare that Shri Strongpillar has been duly elected, uncontested, as the new chairman of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Today, the 28th of February 2025. I now invite him to take over the chair.
Rule 34 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of the District Council Rules 1951 as amended. I hereby nominate Mr. Alvin Khairim Saupmi and Mr. Tinto Langton to form the panel of chairman for this first session of the newly elected constituted council. Dementa dan Alat Uru ya kino members jam ketika Jain berbar tiba kuat keren.